Yeah, we hit some hard ones for you, James. Keep looking, Max. Not under there. Look all around. Oh, good job.
Slow down, James.
Look at how happy my son is. Poor guy. Oh, good find. Good job. You found him. Wow.
Search low and high, James. James, you search higher. Stop taking the lower one. Search higher.
Jordan did? He's such a crier. Jordan pretends he's so tough. He is the biggest softie in the universe. Do you see more eggs, Max? Where should you look all around? You're a good little finder, Peanut. What are you doing, Max? Good. Oh, James, he's got loads. You can keep going. Oh, good, good. Oh, you boys are sweet. I was worried James was giving all his away. I'm like, no, James, you take them.
Oh, James, come on, man.
Oh. Oh, man, who found my dartboard one?
Oh, that's a good one.
Good find, baby.
Oh, no, he's good. James.
Gosh. He's doing really good. Let's look more. Look in the front, Max. The big boys are missing a few. Where's Miss Marjorie? Go by Miss Marjorie, Max.
Your son. Look. There's like there's an egg and lint. He goes to the there's an egg and the keyboard. He goes to the keyboard. He goes for everything except the egg.
I like to find them.
Oh my gosh.
Rex, I'll teach you the good way. Find the other kid's bags. You'll find lots of eggs.
That's what he's waiting for. He's just being smart. He's just going to let all the other kids do the work. He's like, I got your bag now.
Go ahead, guys.
Right. Is that it?
Oh, that's so cute. Show me. Max, come here. Max, what did you just do? Take your fingers out of your mouth.
Max.
Max, hold your bag up.
Max, look what Mr. Matt has.
Is there more?
Max.
Is there more?
Maximus.
Hold your bag open. Hold your bag open. I'm going to make a basket.
Did you love that, Max? I don't have any to throw.
Here, give her one to throw.
Here, Daddy, will you throw it?
Ready? Set?
Yeah.
Good job.
Can Maxie? Oh. Hey, Max. Come here, honey. Can you look at Miss Giselle and say thank you, Miss Giselle, for our Easter egg hunt?
You are so welcome.
I see one more.
Wow, you're all